Hey everyone, this is my friend Miguel here. For those of you who don't know, we are really going to move forward with our aesthetics department. Miguel's here is an electrician. He's a really good friend. He's helped us out with the room, beautify the whole office. I mean, I hope you guys are really excited. He just got done with changing some lights and turning into LEDs, right?
It's correct, Alex.
Yeah, and Miguel, you're also starting your own business as well.
Yep.
You know,
That's correct.
and it's coming soon.
It's coming soon.
Tell us a little bit more about your electrician business. What's that all about? What's your focus here?
Okay, my focus is basically help everybody who has electrical problems. Any electrical problem, definitely we can help you with that. Any updates in your house, we can take care of that too. Or even you want to put more update your house, landscape lighting, or any big lighting around your house, or if you have a business, we can take care of you too. Save money on the lighting, or make your house or business more electrically efficient. Yep.
Yeah, Miguel has helped us a lot with not only our office, but my home as well. And he's been a dear friend. I've known him since 2013, and it's just been amazing. Thank you so much, Miguel, for helping us put everything together.